Hello dear students, welcome back to chemistry classes. Today we have solved some problems. In this class we are solving calculation of number of unit cells in 1.5 gram of tungsten. Okay. Second question, tungsten crystallizes in BCC lattice. Calculate the number of unit cells in 1.5 gram of tungsten. Atomic mass of tungsten is 184 unit. Okay, solve the problems now. 1 mole tungsten, 1 mole of tungsten is equal to 184 unit, and 1 mole is equal to how much? 6.022 into 10 to the power 23, isn't it? Then number of atoms of tungsten in 1.5 gram of tungsten in 1.5 gram. Okay, you have to calculate how many atoms are there. 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Then how many grams? 1.5 grams. Atomic mass is how much? 184 unit, isn't it? Okay. Then what is the answer for this? What is the answer? Okay, its answer is 4.909 atoms into 10 to the power 21. This is the number of atoms. But we want to calculate how many unit cells are present in this atom. BCC contains how many atoms? BCC contains 2 atoms. 2 atoms, isn't it? BCC contains 2 atoms. Then its unit cell is 4.909 into 10 to the power 21 divided by 2. We are getting the answer now. How much? 2.45 unit cells. Unit cells are present in 1.5 gram of tungsten. Got this? Okay. We have some formulas in that relation between the edge length of the unit cell and radius of the spheres in case of what? Body centered cubic unit cell. That is, the relation is radius is equal to square root of root 3 into a divided by 4. Similarly, we have they are given the diameter of the cell or spheres. Diameter is equal to cube root of 3 divided by 2 into a. Got this? Okay, next relation between the edge length of the unit cell and radius of the atom in FCC, face centered cubic unit cell. Here in the face centered cubic unit cell, radius is equal to a divided by 2 root 2. Then in case of relation between the edge length of the unit cell and the radius of the atom in simple cubic unit lattice or unit cell is radius is equal to a by 2. Got this? In this question, tungsten crystallizes in BCC unit cell if edge length of unit cell is what? 316.5 picometer. What is the radius of the atom? Okay, have to write a solution first. What is the formula belongs to this? Radius is equal to root 3 by 4. So root 3 by 4 into a. They are already given. That is, a is equal to how much? 316.5 picometer, isn't it? Just add the value on this concept. Root 3 by using the calculator, we are getting the root 3 answer. Root 3 simplify form 316.5 picometer. This implies radius of the BCC unit cell is 137.404 picometer, isn't it? 137.04 picometer. By calculating this, we are getting the answer. We have to remember the things, that is the relation between the edge length and the radius of the spheres in BCC unit cell. Got this? Okay, I am repeating. Tungsten crystallizes in BCC unit cell if the edge length of the unit cell is 316.5 picometer. What is the radius of the atom? The radius and edge length of the unit cell relation formula is radius is equal to root 3 by 4 into edge length. Root 3 we are calculating with the help of calculator we are getting the value of root 3 divided by 4 into 316.5 picometer. We are getting 137.04 picometer radius. Got this? Okay, next concept, that is aluminum crystallizes in FCC structure. Atomic radius of the unit cell is 125 picometer. Calculate the edge length of the unit cell of the metal. Okay, here what happens? Here solution. So the radius is equal to a by root 2. A by 2 root 2, isn't it? A by 2 root 2. What they are given? They are given to the radius, isn't it? Then edge length we have to calculate the edge length, question mark. Radius, they are given the radius is 125, isn't it? Okay, we have rearranged the formula now. A is equal to 2 root 2 r. This is the rearranged formula. Okay, then just add the values or put the values in this formula. Root 2 simplified form is 1.414 into 125. By calculation of this concept, 353.5 what is the picometer? Unit is picometer. This is the edge length of this aluminum unit cell, isn't it? Okay, next concept, I am repeating. Aluminum crystallizes into the FCC structure. Atomic radius of the unit cell is 125 picometer. Calculate the radius, edge length of the unit cell of atom, okay, metal, isn't it? Then edge length and radius relation is radius is equal to edge length divided by 2 root 2. This is the relation of the edge length and radius in FCC. Remember the things. Okay, we want edge length here, that's why rearrange this formula. We are getting the A is equal to 2 root 2 r. They are already given the r values, just put the r value in this equation. We are getting the 353.5 picometer. Like this, one question is appear in your annual examination for 1 mark. Xenon. Then xenon crystallizes in FCC. Remember FCC. Xenon crystallizes in FCC lattice. Edge length of the unit cell is 620. What they are given? Edge length is given. How much? Edge length is equal to 620 picometer. What is the nearest neighbor distance and radius of the xenon? For that, distance formula or diameter is equal to A divided by root 2. This is the diameter or distance formula. for BCC. Remember, for BCC this is the distance formula. Then just add the value in this constant. Distance is equal to A is how much? Edge length is 620 picometer divided by root 2 is equal to what? 1.414, isn't it? 1.414. We are getting what? 438.5 picometer. What we get? We get a distance. Then relation is distance and radius. Radius is equal to what? Divided by diameter divided by 2, isn't it? Similarly here also 438.5 picometer divided by 2. What is the answer now? 219.5. 219.525 picometer. This is the radius of the Xenon atom in FCC units. Okay. Okay, come to the next question, that is the length of the unit cell edge of a BCC crystal is 352 picometer. Calculate the radius of the atom of the crystal. Okay, how? Solution, how we solve? Radius is equal to root 3 by 4 into A. This is the relation between the edge length and radius of the BCC unit cells. This is the relation. R is equal to root 3 by 4A. This is the relation between the edge length and radius in a BCC unit cell. They are already given that what they are given? They are already given the edge length, isn't it? Then R is equal to they told to calculate radius of the atom of crystal, isn't it? Then we can write like this: root 3 is equal to what is the, use the calculator here. Root 3, what is the value of root 3? 1.73 into divided by 4. What is the edge length of the unit cell? That is 352 picometer, means 10 to the power minus 12. We have to write in centimeter minus 10. Okay, into how much? 352. We are getting answer divided by 4. What is the value? 152.42 into 10 to the power minus 10 centimeter. This is the radius of the atoms in a BCC unit cell. Okay, I am repeating, edge length of the unit cell, edge length of the BCC is 352 picometer. In order to convert this picometer into centimeter, that 10 to the power 12 is converted into 10 to the power minus 10. 10 to the power minus 12 to 10 to the power minus 10, we have write in the centimeter. Okay, radius is equal to 152.42 picometer, or write in picometer itself, or write in picometer itself. If you have a picometer here, you have to write a picometer. This one and both are equal. Okay, calculate the atomic radius of the elementary silver, which crystallizes in FCC with a edge length of 4.086 into 10 to the power minus 10 meter. Okay, you have to write 10 to the power minus 10. That is R is equal to A by 2 root 2. What they are given? They are given that edge length, isn't it? They are given edge length here, that is a 4.86 into 10 to the power minus 10 meter divided by 2 into 1.414. It's a root 2 value is 1.414. What is the value now? Calculate it. 4.086 divided by 2 again divided by 1.414. Its value is, radius value is 1.44. Its value meter. See, radius in the FCC, atom of the radius, radius of the atom in FCC is r is equal to 1.44 meter. Okay, next problem. It is very important for your annual examination for 2 marks. It may appear in question number 11 or question number 27. Okay, it may appear, it is a 2-mark question. It is one 2-mark question, density oriented question it is. See, an element having a BCC geometry, it has atomic mass is 50 unit. Calculate the density of the unit cell if its edge length is 290 picometer. Okay, what are the given things? I have to write first. Solution. What are they given? They given the atomic mass, means m. They given m, that is 50 unit, and they also given the edge length. How much it is? 290 picometer. 290 picometer or 290 into 10 to the power minus 10 centimeter. You can write in a centimeter also. Okay, they are given the Avogadro number is Na is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. What they are asked? They asked density, isn't it? What is the formula of density? Density is equal to Z into M, Z into M divided by Z into M divided by Na into A cube, or A cube into Ne, isn't it? Here Z is what? Which it is a BCC unit cell. That's why number of atoms is equal to 2. Okay, fill the values in this formula. The formula. Fill the values. Z is equal to 2. Then M is equal to 50. Divides 290 into 10 to the power minus 10 centimeter divided by into whole cube into what? Na 6.022 into 10 to the power 23, isn't it? Got this? Okay, next we have to calculate this into 3 times. Okay, same things as it is. Writing here 2.2 into 50 divides, okay, I have to calculate 290 into 290 its value is 24389. Its multiplication of 3 times. This value is multiplied into 3 times. 24389000. Full stop. Then for this 10 to the power 10 means into 3, 10 to the power minus 30, isn't it? Then value is 6.022 into 10 to the power how much? 23. Got this? Okay, have to this decimal to the left side. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 decimals towards the left from this point to this. Okay, 2 into 50 divides 2.438 into 10 to the power 7, 10 to the power 7 into 10 to the power minus 30 into 6.022 into 10 to the power 20, isn't it? Then minus, see here, this 30 get cancelled, this 30, see here, plus 10 to the power 7 plus 23, 30, this 30 get cancelled. Then we are getting simply 2 into 50 divided by 2.438 into 6.022. What is the value now? 2 into 50 divided by 2.438 divided by 6.0022. We are getting density is equal to 6.81. Here gram per centimeter. Its unit is a centimeter. This mole get cancelled. Mole get cancelled. 2 atom get cancelled. We are getting a 6.81 gram per centimeter. This is the unit of this density. Okay, density is equal to what? 6.81 gram per centimeter. Okay, got this? Okay. Next question. Copper crystallizes. See here, copper crystallizes FCC unit cell. Copper crystallizes in FCC unit cell. If the radius of the copper is 127.8 picometer. Calculate the density of the copper. Then atomic mass of the copper is 63.55. Avogadro number is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 per mole. Okay, see what they are not given. They are not given to the edge length, isn't it? They given a radius but they do not give the edge length. Then the relation between the edge length and radius in FCC unit cell is what? Tell me. There itself. What is the relation? R is equal to A by 2 root 2, isn't it? For FCC, isn't it? Then we want edge length here. Edge length is equal to 2 into R root 2 value is 1.414 into how much radius is 127.8, isn't it? Then we are getting the value 2 into 1.414 into 127.8 is equal to how much? Edge length is equal to how much? 361.4 picometer. What it is? Picometer. They given the edge length picometer in the picometer. Then FCC means number of atoms in FCC is equal to 4. Then they are already given the edge length here, and mass of the copper 63.55 in it. They are already given the Avogadro number, isn't it? Then using the formula of density is equal to Z into M divided by A cube into what? A cube into Na, isn't it? Okay. Density, number of atoms is 4, mass is 63.55 mass divided by A cube. A cube means 361.4 into picometer means 10 to the power minus 12. We are writing the centimeter here. You have to reduce it to 2, this 10 into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. When we calculate this term multiplied in 3 times, writing as it is 4 into 63.55 divided by 361.4 into 361.4 into 361.4, how much? See, 47202439 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 0.5 into 10 to the power minus 10, sorry, minus, not minus 10, 10 to the power 30 into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Okay, we are reducing this term and getting a 4 into 63.55 divided by 4.7 into 10 to the power 22, 8.1234567, sorry, 7 term minus 23 into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 plus 23 minus 23 get cancelled. What is the value now? 4 into 63.55 divided by 4.7 divided by 6.022. How much? What is the value? Its value is 8.9 into 10 to the power, sorry, 10 to the power, not a 10 to the power, there is no 10 to the power, they get cancelled. 8.9 gram per 8.9 gram per centimeter, 8.9 gram per centimeter. Okay, we'll discussing still more problems in next class. Okay, bye. Okay, next question, that is sodium has a BCC structure having a nearest neighbor distance is 365.9 picometer. Calculate the density, and atomic mass of sodium is 23 gram per mole. Okay, solution. They are giving neighbor distance, nearest distance, and neighbor atoms or neighbor distance, that is the diameter. See, diameter is equal to in BCC 2 root 3 by 2 into A. This is the formula or a relation between the distance and edge length. Okay, then we want edge length here, that's why A is equal to 2 into what, 2 into D divided by root 3. 2 into D is 365.9 picometer, 9 picometer divided by root 3 means 1.7. Upon calculation 2 into 365.9 divided by 1.7, we are getting 42.5. what, edge length is equal to 42.5. this is the edge length, that is in the picometer. They are given the mass, how much, 23 gram per mole. They given mass and edge length. The Na also they given, that is Na is equal to, it's understood, 6.022 into 10 to the power 23, which BCC Z is equal to 2 atoms, density is equal to, write the formula first, Z into M divided by A cube into what, Na. This implies Z is 2, 23 value, 23 divided by, what is the value, 42.5 into 10 to the power, it's a picometer. When we remove this picometer, we are getting a 10 to the power minus 10 centimeter into 10 to the power minus 10 centimeter divided by 6 point into Avogadro number 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. On analyzing, we are getting this 422. We are having a 422 here. We are having what, 422. Here 422 value is 422. 422.5. Here 422.5. Upon calculation, cube root here, cube means we are writing as it is 23 divided by 422.5 into 422.5 into 422.5 into 422.5. We are getting a value here 754,18890.6 into 10 to the power minus 30 into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. See, 10 to the power 23. We are sliding this decimal towards the 7. 2 into, when we take this decimal to 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 points are reduced in this power. It is having a 10 to the power 20 minus 23. This is a plus 23. 23 get cancelled. 23 divided by 7.54 into 6 into 54 into 10 to the power minus 23 into 6.022 into 10 to the power plus 23 get cancelled. What is the value now? 2 into 23 divided by 7.54 divided by 6.022. Having the density here, density is equal to 1.01 gram per centimeter cube. This is the value of this sodium. Sodium density is 1.01 gram per cm. A metal atom having a next question, that is the next problem. A metal atom having a atomic mass 50 gram per mole has a BCC structure. Density of the metal is 5.96 gram per centimeter. Find the volume of the unit cell. It's very simple. They are confusing the things. Volume of unit cell is what? What is the formula of volume of unit cell? A cube. See, volume of unit cell. Volume of unit cell. That is V is equal to what? A cube. Isn't it? A cube is volume of unit cell. They are already given all things. That is M is equal to mass of atom is equal to 50 gram per mole. 50 gram per mole. Avogadro number, yeah, it's understood, that is a 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. In which, in a BCC atom, means Z is equal to how much? 2, isn't it? We are solving so many problems on this. Okay, what is the formula of this? Density is equal to Z into M divided by A cube into what? A cube into NA, isn't it? But in case of A cube, we have to write a V here. This implies Z is equal to M divided by V into NA. Got it? Okay, next. Just replace the density and volume terms. See, volume is equal to Z, it is as it is, Z into MA, here density into N. Got it? Okay, next, fill the values. Z is equal to 2 and mass is equal to 50 gram per mole. There is a density is equal to what? Density is equal to 5 point. I'm forgetting the density here. Density is equal to 5.96 gram per cm cube. 5.96 gram per cm cube. Gram per cm cube. Then Avogadro number 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 mole per mole. Per mole get cancelled, isn't it? Per mole get cancelled here. Then calculating the things here. This is the calculation here. Volume is equal to 2 into 50 divided by 5.96 is equal to divided by 6.022, having a 2.786 into 10 to the power minus 23 minus 23 gram get cancelled, centimeter cube, cm cube, not a what, cm cube. This is the value, or you can write 27.86 into 10 to the power minus 24 cm. You can write like this or this. This is the answer. Volume of the BCC unit cell is 27.86 into 10 to the power 24 cm cube. This is the answer for this question. Okay, go to the next question. An element with a molar mass is 27 gram per mole forms a cubic unit cell, not a BCC, FCC or simple cubic. They are telling cubic unit cell with the edge length 4.05 into 10 to the power 8 centimeter. If its density is 2.7 gram per mole, gram per centimeter cube, what is the nature of the unit cell? They asked here number of atoms, means Z. Okay, solution. What are they given? They given edge length, that is they given first mass. Mass is how much? 27 gram per mole, isn't it? 27 gram per mole. And they are also given edge length is 4.05 into 10 to the power minus 8 centimeter. And they are also given the density. Density is equal to how much? 2.7 gram per cm cube. Gram per cm cube. Next, what they are asked? They asked Z. Avogadro number is, it's understood, 6.022 into 10 to the power 23, isn't it? Okay, what is the formula? Density is equal to Z into m divided by a cube into what? A cube into NA. We want Z here, that's why this going to change. Z is equal to density into a cube into Na divided by m. This is the necessary formula for this problem. Z is equal to, you have to write like this. Z is equal to, density is how much? Density is equal to 2.7 gram per cm cube into a cube. How much? 4.08 into 10 to the power 8 into the power 8 minus 8 cm cube, is cube root a cube, that's why cube. And what is the Na formula? I am writing here, it's very lengthy. I am writing again. Z is equal to, density is equal to, density is 2.7 gram per cm cube. A cube is 4.05 into 10 to the power 8 centimeter into Avogadro number 6.022 into 10 to the power how much? 23 divides number of atoms means mass of atoms is 27 gram per, this is the per mole, gram per mole, gram per mole get cancelled, gram get cancelled, or centimeter get cancelled, isn't it? Okay, this is the cube root now. This is the cube root, and we are calculating 4.05 into 4.05 into 4.05 into 4 into 4 point, we are getting 66 here, 2.7 into 66.4, 3 into 10 to the power 24 minus 24, or we can write 23, or we can write 23, but you have to change this concept. 6.44 into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Okay, next divided by 27. Calculate now. 2.7 into 66.43 into 6.022 divided by 27. We are getting 40 answer. We are getting what? 40 answer. We are getting 6.66 means we are taking 6.66. 40. Z is equal to 40. 4 atoms are present in the what? Cubic unit cell. For this, having 4 atoms. Okay, got this?